this is how the costume came, fam. Let me close this bedroom door. I gotta do an apartment walkthrough of this flat, but this is how the outfit came in a garbage bag, okay? So let's open the garbage bag and let's walk through what's in there. Do like that. This is the back of it, yeah? Let's put it on the table. And I'm tall, right? You can imagine how big this is. See that? It's a butterfly, and it connects, so it, so that's the back of it turned this way. Look at that, right? That's the back of it. And then, see, this are the hooks that go in. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna go online and pull up some of these girls' costumes. Their costumes are fantastic. And this is the hook. You see, that's the hook that hooks onto the next piece. Let's get the next piece. I don't know how I'm gonna take this stuff home. There's no way. How am I gonna take this home? How am I gonna take this home, fam? How? How am I gonna get this home? Should I wear it on the plane? Jesus, heavy. This, it hooks there. You see these hooks? See that? That's where they hook into. There's two of them. 1, 2. They go into there, yeah? So that hook, so this goes over my shoulder. This goes over my shoulders, right? And then they hook that on the back. Y'all, amazing. Amazing. These, I have 4 of these, right? Velcro was like our best friend, yeah? I have 4 of these. That's another one. Right, that's another one. There should be 4. Why do I only see 3? So this, look at that bikini, y'all. Look at that bikini, fam. Look at that bikini. Yo, like that's the actual thong, yo. Look at the thong. That was up my ass. Up my ass. Jesus. So this is the bikini. That's the front, right? And that's the back. And like I said, Velcro, Velcro, Velcro. Right? So that's that. The body. This was the body. This is the actual body. Right? That was the actual body. Yes. The top. Right? That was the actual top. Oh, these girls be out here half naked and they be looking fabulous. These are my shoes. And the heel wasn't too crazy. These are my shoes. As you see, the heel wasn't too crazy. And this is my hat, fam. That's the hat. This is the front. Right? That's the front of it. And this is the back where you tie, you get it on my big head and then you tie it. So it seems like I'm missing one of these because I only have 3 when I should have 4. So that sucks. I don't know where it went. Doesn't seem to be in here. So maybe as we were doing it, oh, look at that on the floor. This is the neck piece, right? So this around my neck like that, right? And that's the last one right here on the floor. So as you can imagine, fam, the schools that have like more money and those girls who are muses, their costumes are like way more elaborate. Yeah. So like was $250 and look at how elaborate it is. Like we have the 2 heavy pieces, then we have the 4 for the 2 arms, 2 legs, that's 4. Then it came with nice shoes, it came with a big hat, it came with the actual bikini body and a neck piece. I'm going to show you guys like some of these muses with their costumes. Fantastic. I mean, they're huge, right? And they're just another level. And I'm just so grateful that everything worked out with my costume and that I was able to get it, because I had paid up front $250 for my costume, which was not how it was supposed to go. It was supposed to happen where we give half up front, but I ended up giving half up for someone else. And then it fell through. But otherwise, it worked itself out. I have the costume. I'm blessed. I'm grateful. But yeah, and fam, this costume, I felt like such a goddess. I felt like, I mean, my dream had just totally come true. It's just something checked off my bucket list. Like, the glitter, like, I don't think this is something that I think every female should experience in her life, especially any female performance artist. I know you're like, well, Ray, you get to glam up on stage all the time. Yeah, but there's something about the samba, the dancing. There's no singing. There is singing, but it's not mic'd. And the whole walk down the parade. I mean, it's just phenomenal. I have been bitten by the bug, the samba bug. I have to come back next year. I don't know if I'm going to come back to Rio, if I'm going to go to Bahia, Salvador, which is where the black people are. The black people are here in Rio, yes, but Bahia houses the second largest population of African people outside of Africa. Not African American, African people outside of Africa. So Bahia is very African, and that's why I and also remember too, Carnival is also the parades in the streets. I lasted for about 2 minutes and was like, nope, can't do it. The men are way too aggressive. The sexual behavior, the kissing, the having the sex on the street, the pee, the alcohol. I don't know what's so great about Carnival. I don't know. Now, the Samba parade in the Samba Drome with the performance spectacle, fantastic. But all that other stuff, and then it's going to be more people next year? What? No way. I don't know. No way. No way. But that's just me. Some people love to be drunk and high and having sex on the street and peeing on the street and dancing on the street. But that's not my cup of tea. Okay. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. But yeah, can you believe it, fam? This is the costume. It's on a whole table, and this table is huge. Okay. Can you believe it, y'all? So what's next? Where do I go next? What do I do next? Is to go around the world and see how people, artists specifically, are living a day in their lives, a week in their lives. How are they pursuing their artistry? Through happiness, freedom, joy, and their actual art. Yeah? So being around these artists, that Samba stuff, it's an Olympic sport. It's major artistry. From the musicians to the dancers, I mean, just to the costume designing, to the costume building, the set building. It's like Broadway on wheels, a circus on wheels. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. All right, fam. I love you. Beijos. Ciao, ciao.